When we're facing problems, we often get stuck because it's not a clear single problem. There's a whole panoplia of problems zooming around in our mind. But what's the central problem? Let's look at identifying what is the major problem. Isolate down to that one major issue. Then think about, well, what's driving this issue? What's causing this? What is the roots of this problem that I'm facing? Where is this coming from? Focus on that. Then think about, well, what are some possible solutions I could come up with to eliminate this problem, overcome this problem, go past this barrier? Then having come up with some possible solutions, focus on the best solution. Start there. Identify the problem, look at some possible solutions, pick the best solution, get to work on that best solution. That is the way to overcome immobilization through stress.